Let's start. The project name is the options menu. Let's see the project structure. At the app level build.gradle file, write this plugin. Here we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. And in the menu folder, we have a toolbar_menu.xml file which has the menu items for the options menu. In the themes XML file, change the default theme to this one. Then write this toolbar theme. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main.xml file, we have the constraint layout as the root layout. This is the toolbar. The menu attribute is set to the toolbar_menu.xml file. The theme attribute is set to the toolbar theme. In the toolbar_menu.xml file, this is the menu. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, we have set the onMenu item click listener of the toolbar menu. When a menu item is clicked, we show a toast. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement an options menu in Kotlin Android. Thanks for watching.